Hello friends, today we are going to see the experiment of plants absorb water. For this experiment, the needed material is a jar, some water, a plantlet and a sketch pen. So let's get started. We have to take a jar, pour some water in it, keep the plantlet in the water and mark the water level. Keep the plantlet in the water for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we can see that the water level has decreased because the plant absorbs water. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.